How to scan QR code in Telegram to join group. If you've been wondering how to scan a QR code in Telegram and join a group easily, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is, so let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, download it and simply log in. Now, you might already have a QR code to scan. This could be in a message or website or even shared by a friend. If you don't have it yet, don't worry, the group admin will usually share this QR code with you. Now, once you have a QR code, simply open your camera's icon. Now, simply scan the QR code through your phone's lens. Now, as you can see, our QR code has been scanned and it is showing that it will open Telegram. Click on it. Now, here you can see a preview of the group or channel, including the name and description. And if everything looks good, simply click on join group, and that's it. You've now learned how to scan a QR code and join a Telegram group with ease.